Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen as regular. Today I'm going to be making a delicious Cuban dish called beef steak de pollo or chicken steak. And it's a really quick recipe to make. It's really easy. All you need is thinly sliced chicken or chicken breast that is cut butterfly style, and then pound the chicken really thin. So I have about 8 pieces of chicken here, pounded, and just going to show you how thin they are. And you can make them thinner if you want to. The thinner you make it, the quicker it cooks. But this is how thin I made mine. Hola mis cariños, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo una receta de Cuba. Se llama beef steak de pollo a la plancha. Voy a marinar la pechuga de pollo in mojo. The ingredients that I'm using are 8 pieces of chicken, half of an orange, 1 lime, thinly sliced onions, 5 cloves of garlic, using olive oil, sazon, using cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. Aquí tengo pechuga de pollo, cebolla en julianas, 5 dientes de ajo, media naranja grande, una lima, aceite, sazón, comino, oregano, sal y pimienta. Okay, vamos a empezar. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I have my garlic here, and I'm just going to mash them so I can make it easier to take the peels off. Ok, estoy peleando el ajo y voy a machacar el ajo en este mortero para que obtener una pasta. Okay, so I'm putting the garlic in this mortar and pestle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some salt in it, and I'm going to grind it down and mash it until I get a nice paste. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to squeeze some orange juice on it. And this is going to give it a really delicious flavor. This is our marinade. Estoy marinando la pechuga de pollo para que queden muy jugosa y sabrosa. Esta es una marinada de Cuba, se llama mojo. This marinade is called mojo in Cuba, and mojo is used to marinate meats like pork, beef, chicken, and it gives the meat a really delicious flavor. Le voy a poner ajo machacado y voy a adobar nuestro pollo y tápalo. Y voy a dejar marinar el pollo por 30 minutos en la nevera. Okay, so I added our garlic, and now I'm seasoning the chicken. And I'm going to let this sit in the marinade for about 30 minutes, covered up in the refrigerator, and I'll be back. So now I'm going to add a little olive oil. I'm going to put some onions in here and some more lime juice, and then I'm going to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, le puse aceite, cebollita en julianas y juguito de lima. Y voy a dejar en la nevera por 30 minutos, no más. Now you want to dry off some of the marinade from the chicken. So you want to remove the onions and pat dry the marinade so it doesn't splatter when you put it in the pan to fry. Ahora quiere secar el pollo con una toalla de papel. Now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to the pan, and I'm going to start to fry up our chicken. Okay, vamos a cocinar la pechuga por unos 3 a 4 minutos cada lado. Es necesario para poner el fuego alto para que el pollo no hierva. And these fry it really quickly, no more than 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Cuando la pechuga cocida, le añades cebolla encima y apriete el juguito de lima sobre el pollo. So now we're going to add the chicken back to the pan. We're going to add some onions to the chicken, and we're going to squeeze some lime juice over top of the chicken to give it a fresh taste. So now I'm just going to add some onions, and I'm going to top it off with some lime juice, and we're going to plate this. Y este juguito de lima le da un sabor fresco. Okay, está lista. Servimos la cena. So now we're ready to plate this. So now I'm adding a little mojo over top of our pechuga. Our pollo. Our chicken. Sorry, in English. Sorry. And mojo is basically garlic sauce. It's olive oil, garlic, onions, lime, and you can put cilantro, parsley, or whatever else you want to put, cumin, oregano in it. And it really goes nicely over the chicken. Le voy a echar un poquito de mojo sobre el pollo. Le da un extra sabor al pollo. Bueno, mis amores, aquí tiene mi rica pechuga. Esta pechuga queda riquísima. And with the chicken, I made some black beans and I made yellow rice to go with it. And some plantains and maduros. They really, you can add anything to this dish. It goes well with anything. It can go well with a salad or even potatoes on the side. Puedes acompañarlo con arroz, ensalada, papas, cualquiera. Bueno, ha sido un placer enseñarles cómo hacer esta rica receta. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like. Quiero decir mil gracias a mis suscriptores por apoyarme siempre. Muchas bendiciones a todos. Bye bye. Well, guys, it's been my pleasure showing you how I like to make beef steak de pollo. But it's time for me to go. But I want to thank all my subscribers out there for all of your support. And until next time, thanks for watching. Follow me on Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Also on Instagram and other places. God bless. Bye-bye.